Hi friends, in this session I will tell you about Java class variables. There are three types of variables. These are local variables, instance variables, static variables. In this session I will going to tell you local variables in Java. Local variables, the variables which are declared inside a method or constructor or blocks, those variables are called local variables. See, this is the sample code. See, we know that the program or the code executes from the main method. I declare two variables. These are called local variables because these are written in between the blocks. So these are called local variables. When I going to execute, you can clearly understand. See, I am declaring two variables, int a equals to 10, int b equals to 20. These are my two local variables. Now I am going to print the local variables. System dot out dot println a. System dot out dot println p. See, now I am going to run the code. See, these are the two local variables and the output is 10 and 20. See, one note you should follow. It is possible to access local variables only inside the method or constructor or blocks only. It is not possible to access outside the method or constructor or blocks. See, in this code you can observe the local variables are only accessed in the blocks. See, if I define the variables outside the main method, int c equals to 10. Now I am trying to print this c. Then it will generate the error. See, system dot out dot println c. If I run the code, see an exception. It is an error. So we cannot access the variable outside the blocks. Again run the code. See, I have to remove this. See, here the output 10 and 20. Another sample code 2. See, we should in the method only a variable, local variable. We can print this variable inside the method, but we cannot access this variable in another method. In further videos you can understand about the method, constructor. So it is by this session you can understand the local variables. Thank you.